All right, Wesley and Ashlyn. This is your May 11th language class. Open your books to page 130. We are actually reviewing our nouns. We have common nouns and proper nouns. Common nouns name any person, place, or thing, and proper nouns name a particular person, place, or thing. So looking at page 130, we are going to look at think B. It says underline the common nouns in these sentences. Circle the proper nouns. So that is what we are going to do. It says Columbus was searching for a new way from Europe to India. Let's do our proper nouns first because they're so easy to spot. Why are they easy to spot? Because proper nouns begin with what? Capital letters. They're proper. So Columbus is a proper noun. It's the name of a man. Europe and India, both are proper. They are names of countries, specific man here. And then, so what are you doing? You're circling your proper nouns, so those should be circled. And then our common nouns would be, Columbus was searching for a what? A way. So way would be our common noun. Remember, a, and always tell us there's a noun coming. You just got to find it. Say the a, and, or the. Remember, we call them articles, so say the article. And then ask what, who, or what. Whatever that answer is, that's going to be your common noun. Many explorers visited the New World after his discovery. So what is our proper noun here? Capitalized right smack dab in the middle of that sentence. New World, a specific place. And now let's look for our common nouns. Explorers, people. So that's a noun. Many explorers visited the New World after his what? In this sentence, discovery is a noun as well. The English made their first settlement in Jamestown, Virginia. We have three proper nouns here. English, Jamestown, and Virginia. The English made their first what? Settlement. Settlement is our common noun. Many colonists died from diseases. We don't have any proper nouns in this sentence. But colonists are people, right? And diseases are things, right? Nasty things. The Pilgrims landed at Plymouth Rock in Massachusetts. So we have several proper nouns in this sentence. So Pilgrims, they are people. Plymouth Rock is a very particular place. And Massachusetts is a particular state. So those are our common nouns those are our proper nouns, not common. And there are no common nouns in that sentence. So the rest of this exercise is in your interactive worksheet. Go ahead and look down at Remember C. We're going to underline the verbs 2 times. We must watch for compound verbs and for verb phrases. An angel appeared to Zacchaeus in the temple. What is our verb in this sentence? Something you can stand up and do? Appeared. That's our verb. Soon Zacharias and Elizabeth would have a baby boy. There are 2 words in this sentence that are always and forever a verb. That's all they can be. They're on our verb list. So what are our 2 words in that sentence? Would have. Would have is our verb. Number 3, Zacharias did not believe the angel's message. We have a word in there that's always and forever on our verb list, and then something we can stand up and do. Remember, the word not can never, ever, ever, ever be a verb. So what is our verb phrase? Did believe. So you're actually going to finish the rest of that exercise on your interactive worksheet as well. You do have a quiz today. On your quiz, let's see, what do they want you to do? You have a group of words like Mount Everest. And you have, so you have Mount Everest. You have a box in front of it, a box behind it. If Mount Everest would be a proper noun, then in the box in front of Mount Everest, you would put a P. In the box after Mount Everest, you would type it as a proper noun with its capital letters. But then, like for number 2, let's say you had the word cat. Now, cat is not a proper noun, so in the box in front of cat, you would type a C. In the box after cat, since we can't make it a capital letter, you would just type in none after cat. Okay? Y'all understand that? And that is your language for today.